you're a partner at a law firm, if you're an associate at a law firm, if you have any connection to a law firm that relates to a job, you don't know us. Leave the video. Let me just put the lip gloss on. Oh, it's thick.
I know.
Maybe
And please.
3, 2, presence is the present.
I think we should remove her from the video.
Yeah.
Oh, hi guys.
Hello.
Nehal.
And
Sumera.
they're my friends, and we just ordered a huge haul.
Girl, don't do.
This video is why you should not leave girls unsupervised when there's a Nykaa sale.
Dia was supposed to be here, but she's not. But we're unboxing it anyways. Because we're really impatient. Was this the pink love sale?
Yeah, some 14 Feb, like, Valentine's week and all.
But Nehal and Savita's, like, half of their stuff hasn't been come yet.
Huh?
She's lying.
I'm not lying. Their conditioner hasn't come yet.
So, I mean, because of the discount and all, we got it for some like 3K something. But originally, I think our purchase was like above 5K.
God.
It looks so pretty.
Stuff worth 5K for 3K. We actually made 2K.
It doesn't tell us how heavy it is, but just know
It's
that
heavy.
it's really heavy. So this is Dia's blush. It's the Swiss Beauty Cream It Up blush.
Valentine's Day, you guys.
Yeah.
This Mars gloss.
We're the subscriber, we're the commenters, we're the watchers, we're the viewers.
Oh, I love this.
It's pretty.
Gloss, and even I got a Mars lip gloss. I got the same gloss, but in a different shade.
Yeah, fair
We're just gonna start fighting in between. So yeah, these are the two Mars lip glosses we got. It's actually quite glittery, which I didn't really expect from them. Glosses that we got. It's actually really pretty. I like both of them.
Unsubscribe. It's just anti-intellectualism is on the rise.
Hyphen Rice Water Brightening
also
Daily
mine.
Cleanser. This is, I think, your cleanser.
Yeah,
right?
it's mine. I needed a cleanser because I've been living without a face wash since we
Yeah,
got
she just
here.
washes her face with water.
That's free.
Not anymore, bitch.
This is some free face wash that we got by Dot & Key. It's
Much needed.
vitamin C one. Yeah, $200. So yeah, this is the Hyphen Daily Cleanser. I will give you guys a review of this.
Guys, look
Yeah.
at my t-shirt.
60 rupees.
Do you guys get the reference?
Yeah. I thought it was a hot, like it made me so sad. I hated that show. The packaging of Hyphen is so cute. Every single time they get me through the packaging. Sumedha got a kajal also.
I'm so excited to try this. This is the hair oil that we got.
It's actually hair serum.
Yeah, hair serum. Sorry, my bad.
It's the L'Oreal Extraordinary one, and we got
have
a big
two
one.
different hair types.
One
I
is
don't know.
pretty and one is
Ugly. I did.
Water softener. Because we live in Bombay.
Yeah.
I don't know how this works. It says
You put it in a bucket of water.
moderate hard water. Okay. Stir and wait for it to dissolve completely with slight cloudiness. Use a water hardness strip to check the hardness. You
Water
add
hardness
more.
strip to-
I
think it's
exactly.
placebo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the sunscreen. I can't tell sunscreen, guys. Would recommend. It will.
Rice water sunscreen. We've been using this for a while now.
Yeah.
I keep switching sunscreens because I like trying new things.
My
Like
skin is
Nehal-
like really sensitive, so I would rather stick to one product.
Yeah, but this sunscreen slaps. It's amazing.
Okay, that is fine. So y'all can see it's like very light. It's not too dense or like too thick.
Dense.
Dense.
Like, we
Okay.
didn't even spend money. We just bought essential things.
Yeah, it's like
Lip gloss is
cream,
essential.
hair-
Got this conditioner because Sumiksha had this actually, and it was really amazing. But the problem is the one that I have right now by Plum, their hair masks are good, but their conditioners are horrible. It's so bad. So I got this conditioner. This is also Dia's, so we're not gonna open it. But I've used this moisturizer before, and it's really good. It's a
But
great.
it's really good,
But I
especially
think
they're
it
like.
depends on your skin because I've also used this and I didn't like it a lot. Bit of a gel-based moisturizer. Like a clog spot वो हो जाते हैं.
Clogs बहुत
pour हो जाते हैं.
Sunscreen, the Dot & Key one,
Ugly.
the vitamin C one, and it was good. They dissuaded me from getting the mango one, even though I feel like that might have been
I think
good.
mango is.
It wouldn't have smelled.
Yeah, it might have smelled like.
I think
Yeah.
it's taking too much
Yeah.
of a chance.
The thing is, I love these things packaging.
It's so cute.
Like, look at this and look at this. Like, how would I
Even
throw
the
this
Hyphen.
away? How would I throw this away? Even the Hyphen one is adorable. Okay, so this is the
Have you ever
sunscreen.
tried a sun stick?
No.
I don't think
I
that's
want to.
I
for
wanted
your
to get
skin
one in
though.
the. I wanted to get one.
Because then you keep on reapplying it on your skin
You're
and then
supposed
you
to
put,
reapply.
No, then you put it back in and then you
Yeah.
reapply. So it's like, you know.
You're supposed to sanitize it. I've seen videos
Yeah.
of
I
people
don't think I would ever
sanitizing it.
sanitize
Exactly.
Yeah, you barely sanitize your body.
it. Bitch, I take a shower every day.
I was a bit hesitant.
Yeah. TM.
We're joking. She does take a
TMI.
shower. We swear she showers every day.
I will not
Guys.
stand for this slander.
Sunscreen, and I love the packaging. Also, I'm doing all this with like my nails absolutely red.
Oh, mine look pretty. They're naturally pretty. Unlike you, bitch.
Okay, it's very light. Like it literally absorbed
Not
in a
dense.
second.
Not dense.
Not dense.
I'm trying to get, like, you know, accept my curls. I haven't yet. Not this time.
She's saying it like it's, you know, like some like social
Because it's a big
situation.
change.
I'm
No,
trying to
the
accept
stigma
no.
attached to curls.
Curls.
No, because it's a big change. Okay, I've had straight hair and wavy hair for the majority of my life. I'm 21 now, and all of a sudden,
Wow, so old. Majority of my life. I think face wash
I think
is
she's the
essential.
only one who spent the most,
Agreed.
and then I.
But like I only
No, I
spent
think
so
Dia
much
is
because
the
I
one.
literally
I'm
didn't have a
three.
face wash.
You're
And
the one who
conditioner.
spent 300.
We're done.
Bye guys.
Wait,
I
let's-
hope you enjoyed the
Haul.
haul and having us in the video.
If you guys like them in the video, comment down below. If you didn't also comment, I'll never ever put them in my videos
That's
again.
not happening.
The bell icon
Yeah.
below.
Thumbs up.
I know we finished filming the unboxing video, but we just got back from college and there was another package. But this is so cute. I got this lipstick from Blue Heaven and it came in a cookie packet.
Cameraman reporting live.
It came in a chocolate packet. Adorable. Oh my god! It's literally a chocolate inside. If any of you guys want to gift this to someone, this is an adorable gift. Chocolate. This is the shade.
I'm sure they can't smell that.
You can't smell it, but this is the shade that I got. It's like a sort of